So in this video, we'll be talking about PEEP. We're going to be learning what a PEEP is, what a pipet is also, and how do we know the value of the PEEP. So let's start by defining what a PEEP is. In forex markets, the PEEP is the smallest amount of change in a currency pair. It can be regarded as the fourth decimal number after the period. So, like we said, the PEEP is the fourth number after the decimal. So, as you can see here, the 7 is referred to as the PEEP, while the 9 is referred to as the pipet. So, we are going to be ignoring the pipets. If we are to enter a trade at 1.05740 and exit that trade at 1.06854, how many PEEP did we gain? So to do this, we'll first need to subtract the numbers. So you can subtract 1.05740 minus 1.06854, and you're going to be getting 0.01114. So to get the PEEP, all you need to do is to divide this number by 0.0001. Why? Because the PEEP is the fourth number after the decimal. So we can divide by 0.0001. All right, which our answer is going to be 111.4 pips. All right, so that's the first method. The second method is to move the decimal 4 places to the right, and we're still going to have in the same answer. So the next thing we want to do here now is to be able to convert this to our profit. So to do that, we need to understand our lot size. So what lot size did we use for this trade? So if we are to use the standard lot, as you all know that the standard lot is $10 per PEEP, we are going to be making $1,114. And if we use the mini lot, which is $1 per PEEP, we are going to be making $111.4. If we use the micro lot, which is 10 cents per PEEP, we're going to be making 11.14. That's $11.14 for that trade. All right, so here we have another example using the USD Canadian dollar, and we're going to be calculating the PEEP, which is the fourth digit after the decimal. So what we need to do now is to know our entry and our exit. And let's say we enter the trade at 1.38485 and exit at 1.37710. Then we go ahead and subtract the both numbers. And in case you get a negative value, all you need to do is to ignore the negative. So once we have subtracted the two numbers, we are going to have our answer as we have here 0.0775. Now it's for us to choose the best method that we want to use, either by dividing by 0.001 because the PEEP is the fourth digit after the decimal, or moving the decimal 4 places to the right. And when we do that, we're going to have 77.5 pips. See how easy it is. So you can go ahead and calculate the profit or loss for this particular trade. And there's also an exemption to this rule, which is for the gold and yen pairs. This time around, the PEEP is the second digit after the decimal. Yes, as you can see here, using the USD JPY, which is 112.75, the 5 right there is the PEEP. So the PEEP is the what? Is the second digit after the decimal for yen and gold pairs. So here we can either divide by 0.01, or we can move the decimal 2 places to the right to get the PEEP. So let's say we bought the USD JPY at 1.3506 and sold at 1.3745. How many PEEP is this trade? So like we said, the first thing we want to do is to subtract the values, our entry and exit. We subtract the both of them. And once we subtract them, then we can now choose the method we want to use, either by dividing by 0.01 or moving the decimal 2 places to the right to get the PEEP.
So in this last example, we're going to be using the gold pair. All right, let's say we enter for a sell at 1.8540 and we exit at 1.852.11. How many pip did we get? So the first thing you want to do, like we said, is to subtract your both values, your entry from your exit. And if you get a negative, you ignore the negative, all right? So once you have done that, you're going to have 0.29. So the next thing you want to do is to choose the method that best suits you. Either you divide by 0.01 or you move the decimal two places to the right for gold and yen pairs. All right. So when you do that, you have $29. So you can see that here we are not using pip, now we're using dollars. Yes. So the change in the value of stock, gold, and oil are measured in dollars and cents. And that's why you see that we have $29 for this trade.
All right, we're going to be stopping here. I hope you got value so far. If you did, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. And you should also don't forget to turn up the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video.